Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to continue lesson 1 Mowgli in Trouble. In the previous video I have already taught you about the word meanings of hard words. Today I will continue the lesson and explain the lesson. The character of Mowgli is remembered by everyone because it is the character of the Jungle Book. The story of the Jungle Book we have seen in the cartoons as pictures also. Today we will study a short story of Mowgli in trouble. But before that, let's memorize the story of Mowgli. A little boy named Mowgli is adopted by a family of wolves and brought up in the jungle. Baloo, the bear, is Mowgli's teacher, and Bagheera, the black panther, protects him. One day, young Mowgli is kidnapped by the monkeys. Baloo and Bagheera take the help of Ran the kite and the Kaa the panther to save Mowgli from the Bandar log. Now let's read the story to know how the Mowgli was saved from the Bandar log. The monkey people wanted a clever leader for their tribe, so they followed Baloo, Bagheera, and Mowgli through the jungle very quietly. Then suddenly they grabbed Mowgli and carried him away through the thick branches of trees. Two of the strongest monkeys held Mowgli and escaped with him through the trees. Bagheera was very angry with Baloo. Why don't you warn the baby about the Bandalog? What have you taught him? The Bandalog fear Kaa, the Pathan. The whisper of his names make their tails cold. Let us go to Kaa. It means that the community or the group of monkey wanted a clever leader, so they grabbed the Mowgli. They carried the Mowgli and through the thick branches of trees. After this incident, Bagheera became very angry with Baloo and said that why he did not inform about the Bandalog to the Mowgli. To save Mowgli, Baloo got an idea that they can take the help of Kaa, the Pathan, because Bandalog fear with the name of Kaa. So let us go to the Kaa. Now the next paragraph, Mowgli was frightened. He started upward and saw, far away in the blue sky, Ran, the kite. Ran was keeping watch over the jungle. He was shocked to see the Mowgli was captured. Mowgli gave a loud kite call to attract Ran's attention. We are brothers, you and I. Mark my part, tell Baloo and Bagheera. It means when Bandalog took the Mowgli with themselves, the Mowgli also get frightened. Then he saw the Ran. Ran was a kite who keep watch over the jungle like a guard. After looking the Ran, Mowgli gave a loud sound to grab the attention of Ran and gave a message that to inform Baloo and Bagheera about the way they are taking them. Now the next paragraph is Baloo and Bagheera found Kaa stretched out on a rock in the afternoon, sun thickening of his dinner. Kaa was not a poisonous snake. His strength lay in his tight hug. If he once collided his body around someone, there was no escape. Our Mowgli is in the hands of Bandalog now, and we know that all the jungle people they fear Kaa alone. They fear me alone, chattering foolish, and when are the monkeys? Up, 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 hello, hello, look up, Baloo. It means that to save the Mowgli, the Baloo and Bagheera went to the Kaa. Kaa was a Pathan, a snake, but he is not a poisonous snake. But if he collide his body around someone and give a tight hug, then no one can escape. The Baloo and Bagheera said all the story to Kaa about Mowgli and the Bandalog. The Bandalog took the Mowgli and only he can save him. All the jungle people fear with the Kaa. Suddenly ran the kite gave a call to Baloo. Now the next paragraph is Baloo took up and there was Ran, the kite, sweeping down, the sun shining on his wing. I have seen Mowgli with the Bandalog. They have taken him beyond the river to the monkey city called the Cold Layers. That is half a night's journey at full speed. We cannot wait for you, Baloo. You are very slow. Kaa and I must go ahead. You follow. In the cold layers, the monkey people are not thinking of Mowgli's friend. They had the boy and were very pleased. Bagheera and Kaa reached the city wall and hid in a ditch. Knowing how dangerous the monkey people were in a large number, they did not want to take any risk. It means when the Ram the kite gave the information to Balu that Bandalok took the Mowgli beyond the river, the monkey city called the Cold Layers. After hearing that, the Bagheera said that it is very far. It will take a half a night to reach there. So he told the Balu that as you are very slow, we will not wait for you, and you just come slowly, and we will move on, and I and Ka will move ahead. Bagheera and Ka reach the cold layers and hide themselves in a ditch because they know that the monkey people were very dangerous in a large number, so they cannot take the risk.